How to make money in 2023 using artificial intelligence. Are you sick of the 9-to-5 grind and wish you could earn money without having to go through tense job interviews or being micromanaged? Hold on to your hats, because we have some news that will change the way you play the game. Artificial intelligence is here to transform the way we make money in this tech-driven era of limitless possibilities. Buckle up and get ready to explore the fascinating world of mind-blowing artificial intelligence-driven money-making techniques. In this video, we'll look at some of the finest ways to use AI to your advantage and make $500. The dive is about to begin. In this video, we're about to unveil how to make money with artificial intelligence in 2023. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. So get ready to ride the money train of artificial intelligence and make some serious money or hard cash. 1. Content creation. Everyone has become a content creator in the age of Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Whether it's through Reels or memes, people are going out and getting paid for their work. It is also a useful perspective on several parts of life. And if you're wondering how to make money, this hack is especially for travel vloggers. To generate content outlines, PPC ad text, landing page ideas, etc., many content creators and marketers use artificial intelligence products like text, artificial intelligence, PepperType, and of course, our favorite, ChatGPT. The most effective method for increasing your fan base and making money may be artificial intelligence content generation employing automated posts. While conducting a search and going to the place may take some time, using the best writing tools available today, one may create thousands of posts and blogs in a shorter amount of time. One won't need to start from scratch to develop quality content because many artificial intelligence solutions for this purpose already have certain built-in templates. It is simple to write blog entries with fantastic and relevant images, newsletters, ebooks, and fantastic vacation plans, all of which are highly profitable in the market. 2. Affiliate marketing. The most well-liked method of making money from your site is affiliate marketing. Consider the following scenario. You own a travel blog and collaborate with travel agencies to market their services to your followers. The best thing though, on each sale you bring in, you receive a commission. However, things get even better right here. Web administrators and travel bloggers may up their affiliate marketing game to a whole new level with the aid of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence software may help with a wide range of duties, like coming up with content ideas, adding affiliate links, writing product evaluations, interacting with consumers, and much more. It is like having a superhuman helper who supports your success in the affiliate marketing industry. Investing in an artificial intelligence tool can help you with data analysis and content development, saving you time and effort, since affiliate marketing is typically a demanding and time-consuming procedure. 3. App development. Nowadays, technology is ingrained in everyone. It is rare to meet someone who doesn't understand how things function and how technology works. Many people are eager to start their own firms and become entrepreneurs as a result of the appearance of Shark Tank. But beginning a business can be difficult, and some of us might not have the time or the proper support. Why don't you create your app instead? One benefit of developing your app is that you can evaluate your innovation skills. Many apps are based on artificial intelligence tools, so you can use these tools extensively for your app's reference. You can also monetize your app by charging premium subscription fees for certain services or by charging for ad space. When developing apps, artificial intelligence can be your best friend. 4. Utilize artificial intelligence to grow your business. Bingo, if you already own a business. You already have a simple method for increasing your income. Nowadays, social media is used by everyone, so this may be your answer. Based on the information you have about your customers, you can make applications that would increase employee productivity and consequently, revenue by showing them relevant ads for the goods and services they have been looking for on search engines and social media. If your company currently has an app, you can improve it by including useful features like speech synthesis or search by image to save your customers time and benefit individuals with poor eyesight. Your AI helper can manage everything, including automating your systems and completing various jobs. It is now being integrated into many platforms, and Google is using AI to support the expansion of your business. You may learn the advantages artificial intelligence offers for your services by taking the quick assessment at Grow with Google. 5. Boost the use of machine learning in e-commerce. Online shopping is increasingly common across a range of businesses. It's the ideal time to leverage the power of machine learning and transform the e-commerce industry in this era of expanded digital commerce. With the rise of online shopping, there are fantastic chances to improve the purchasing process and boost revenue. You may customize the service you provide to consumers and make sure their purchasing experience seems personalized to their needs by implementing machine learning algorithms. Imagine a platform for e-commerce that recognizes customer preferences, anticipates their wants, and offers them pertinent recommendations to provide a genuinely individualized experience. The ability to estimate supply and demand is another crucial component of effective e-commerce operations. You may improve your inventory management by using models that are powered by machine learning that are quicker and more accurate. Making ensuring you always have the correct products accessible at the right time can help you avoid stockouts and increase sales. This is done by staying on top of market trends and forecasting demand changes. Digital security is a huge worry, and machine learning may be quite helpful in defending your company and its clients. Modern fraud detection algorithms can examine patterns and irregularities in client behavior to spot possible dangers and stop fraud. 6. Selling digital artwork. Who wouldn't enjoy having lovely illustrations throughout their living room? Artwork or illustrations are not just for the living room. No matter where you look, there is art everywhere. Whether it's on your spiral notebook or the cover of your laptop, there is quirky art everywhere. You produce an increasing number of these oddball works of art using artificial intelligence methods, and you work with other corporations to sell your creations. You can sell them to home decor companies that would love to buy quality artwork, furniture companies that would like to receive a lovely center table, stationery companies, or even sell it yourself on Amazon or Etsy so that you can deal directly with the customer and keep the middleman from stealing your money. Artificial intelligence allows for the creation of incredible art from simple inputs. In order to create the artwork you need, Canva has integrated artificial intelligence into their graphic design software. Ganbreeder, Magenta, and Processing are other platforms on the list. Writing and marketing comic books are also included because everyone enjoys them, not just kids or geeks. Since Anon became popular among young people, everyone, including us, is a fan and would like reading those odd, corny comics. 7. Book reviews. Are you someone who enjoys reading? Do you enjoy spending all of your time by yourself in the land of books and never leaving? Then we definitely have a clever way for you to make money while pursuing your love of reading. ChatGPT, one of our favorite artificial intelligence tools, can carry out the task for you as well. Additionally, ChatGPT provides plugins that allow you to feed in the PDF and ask as many questions as you like. Even if you are not a voracious reader like other people, employing artificial intelligence systems to write book reviews is a good and simple method to make money. Simply choose a book, read it, and then express your thoughts about it in writing. Your written input would be edited and paraphrased by the artificial intelligence program to create a blog that is reader-friendly and posted on your reading blog website. If you find this to be a laborious chore, there are many websites that will make it much simpler for you. Simply by selecting a book, they will write a new book review for you to post, saving you the time it would take for you to read the book, experience the emotions it provoked, and then express those emotions in writing. Yes, easy money. In 2023, artificial intelligence will present a wide range of chances for online income. These technologies, which range from chatbots and data analysis to artificial intelligence-driven marketing automation, can optimize your online business, increase revenue, and enhance customer experience. To maintain competition and increase your earning potential in the digital sphere, you must embrace artificial intelligence. That's a wrap for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments down below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.